part 2.
Yes.
When?
Just now, Papa.
I didn't hear no water.
You literally
I
heard
did
water.
not hear no water.
I did. I'm a did. What y'all been doing?
Same thing you said, though, I said now.
I'm not sitting down.
We sit down, but you ain't.
Yep. I'm trying to sneeze. Cause some stuff got on my nose that was in the mailbox. Well, not in the mailbox. Cause I scratched my arm like this, but my arm hit a tree. And then the part that I actually hit the tree with, I scratched it with this because I touched the mailbox. I'm gonna get off my nose. Okay. I'm good now.
Not?
Yes.
You wouldn't know Miss Sneeder.
Huh?
You wouldn't know Miss Sneeder.
Get off of you sneezing?
Around me, Sneeder.
I covered my nose.
You didn't cover Google, probably.
Yes, I did. I did this. I did this. I covered my nose. I did this.
He don't know you know.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm fine. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, that's it for today's video. That prank went kind of good, kind of not. But like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. Bye now, babies.